guys, I'm Bubbles. Welcome to Bubbles Nature Show. And today, I'm here at this very nice place, Mini Rocks. I'm here by my friend Davis here. Say hi, Davis. Hi. Wow, such majestic stuff. Look at all these little fishies. And today, I'm going to be the next tourist person. So hopefully, we don't end up slipping and dropping our phone. Wow! Look at this! This is a beautiful waterfall. Very beautiful. This is ASMR. Don't slip. See, look how beautiful this is. Davis, I think you're stuck. Now over here is where we can find many beautiful rocks. Look at all these little fishies. They like to dance around everywhere. There's even many small ones. Smaller. Yes. Let's check out some of these nice, beautiful rocks that we could find. Ah, look! This one's a beautiful piece of quartz. Let's clean it. Wow, this is very beautiful. I should keep this beautiful rock. I'll just set it right here for use. Wow, look at this. Look at these beautiful cliffs. Whoa there, Davis. It's very deep right there. I have many voice cracks. Yes. Here we have lots of nature, like this giant slingshot tree. Sticks. Many of these baby fishies. Or tadpoles. These are the most beautiful rocks I have ever seen. Wow. Here we have this stump. I'm very stumped about it. Huh. So yes, this is going to be a new series. So make sure you subscribe and like the video. And maybe I might post more content on this channel. Let's go to this side. Oh, hi guys. Just see me there. I am drinking the purest water ever. See, this water is very pure. Not really bacteria. But I suggest you don't drink it. This is kind of bad. But here, in this area, we could see many more quartz formations. Very beautiful. And you see, the more I talk, the more my voice cracks. So you'll be happy when this video is over. So you don't have to hear my annoying voice. Wow. See, this is a tunnel. That's where iDubbbz filmed a video of a pickle. Let's go inside and check it out. Wait a minute. We should not. There could be spiders in there. But wow, this is a very beautiful sight. And wow, this is amazing. This is a beautiful stick. Ah! Today, we are going inside this tunnel. Tunnel of a doom. Oh, that's a spider web. Nuh-uh. Well, I'm going to leave the video off of here for now. But later, I'll show you the most nature videos ever. So goodbye.